all of us. I am back into my channel for latest product unboxing for all. Wait a second. Ta-da! Hey, you know what is this? This is one of the best T-Rex robot dinosaur. So guys, now I am unboxing on this product in this video. So I am impressed for after I can complete this video. So anyone watch my video on first time, please keep subscribe to support with me and like my channel. So don't waste time. My name is Tech Sidhu. Welcome back to our channel SS Tech Beats. So guys, first I can explain for all details on this box. So this product brand name is Velociraptor guys, and this is a remote controller, and the symbol says indicated action programming CPU, atomized spray fire, LED lights, infrared remote controller, and you can see the downside. Some remote controller details is here. And turning to other side, these symbols indicate as dino robot walking style, and turning to back side, it has lot of features but same features. Then I will explain one more time. Intelligent voice function, science and tech knowledge, action programming CPU, atomized spray fire, infrared remote controller, light, dance, music, CPU, intelligent USB charging, and some remote controlling function keys details available in downside. And let's turn into other side. These symbols indicate as inbuilt water container. Like you can fill the water dino head, then the dino head converted into fire. And look at the downside, then the downside provided only some battery details and also caution warning precautions. Then company provided a rechargeable battery on this product, and the battery power is 700 mAh power that 4.8 volts supported. So now let's open the box and check out the outside. So guys, first of all I will explain how many types of products provided on this box as the company. So this is the instructional manual paper for this product guys. Let you will check any details of the product for this manual paper guys. And this one is our Dino Raptor guys. And this one is remote controller guys. It contains as many more functioning keys. And this one is USB charging cable guys. And this is a high power rechargeable batteries guys. Then the power is 700 mAh. And this sharp one is Dino Robot tail guys. And now look at the Dino Raptor. It's looking very pretty cool, and also this product contains as a many more smart features, and I like the build quality for this product. And this Dino Robot front hands has not provided to working, and also this head mouth is looking very attractive to include the LED lights and red paint. And then the Dino Robot head is not working, but this head contains as a water filling nozzle guys. This system very really awesome and interesting, because this Dino Robot firing a fire, and this Dino Robot eyes are also included LED lights, and you can see the Dino Robot head how to firing the fire into the Dino Robot mouth. And this one is highly sound speaker. Then the speaker produce also loud sound, and look at that, this design concept is looking awesome guys. And this is the power on and off switch. And also this stripes is a wheels guys. The Dino Robo legs contains as a high power brushless motors on inside. And this is the battery compartment guys. So first of all we can attach the Dino Robot tail, after we can add the batteries, and let's check it out the performance. And this is a signal receivers guys. Now dino raptor ready to perform. But I forgot one thing. I can explain the also remote controller details. Then the remote controller as contains as a many more function keys and programming feature guys, like stop, forward, backward, open, free fire, songs, music. And the dino robot produces as a 23 types of different types of sound effects. This is awesome. And also you can see the program button. Program also awesome guys. Then you can press the program button. After you can add more programs on this dino robot, and also you can add to queue. And turn onto the back side of the remote, it has contains a battery compartment, so you can add 2 nipo batteries. After then the remote is working. And look at that, this remote has a LED light guys. And also this remote feel like very comfortable guys, like a gaming mobile. And let's add the batteries on the dino robots. Let's check it out the performance. Hey guys, look at this. I got a T-Rex dinosaur on my hand. Wow, it's looking awesome and fantastic. And this robot contains as a many smart features guys. And this is one of the best product for kids guys. And also anyone gives this product on your kids, he's becoming their favorite person. So guys, anyone if you like this product, I will paste this product link on description. So you can go to click the link and also purchase this product. And this product price is 2000 rupees on Amazon.
Ready. Start programming, please. Ready. I'm going to execute programming. Forward. Backward. Entry the combat mode. Let us fight together. Which color light on can we cross the road from the zebra crossing? When the green light is on, we can cross the street from the zebra crossing. When the red light is on, we should wait by the roadside until the next green light is on. That means fast. Energy saving. Fire breathing.
So guys, now you are watching unboxing video on English. So subscribe my channel because I am uploading best content in my channel. I hope if you like my video, keep subscribe my channel and press the like button. And also share my videos on your friends. So we can meet you next video on best product unboxing. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. So guys, I'm waiting for one more robot unboxing video and next. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for the best products.